Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a PS4 controller to your computer. First, let's cover the simplest method, a wired connection. Grab a micro USB cable and plug one end into your PS4 controller and the other into an available USB port on your computer. Your PC should automatically recognize the device and install the required drivers within a few moments, allowing you to start gaming almost instantly. Now, for a wireless experience, let's set up Bluetooth. Make sure your computer has Bluetooth turned on or connect a Bluetooth adapter. On your PS4 controller, press and hold both the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time for about 3 seconds. You'll see the light bar on the controller begin to flash quickly, signaling it's ready to pair with your computer. With your controller in pairing mode, go to your computer's Bluetooth settings. Click on Add Bluetooth or Other Device, then select Bluetooth. You should see Wireless Controller appear in the list of available devices. Click on it to complete the pairing process. Once connected, the light bar on your controller will change from flashing to a solid color, usually blue, indicating a successful connection. For advanced customization and broader game compatibility, consider using DS4 Windows. This free, open-source application allows your PS4 controller to be recognized as an Xbox 360 controller, which many PC games natively support. You can remap buttons, adjust sensitivity, and even change the light bar color. It offers a lot of flexibility for a truly personalized gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.